Today we are traveling in Würzburg, which is 125 km from Frankfurt. The most beautiful thing in today's journey is rain. We will see the rain and hear its heart-touching sound. Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum, Guten Tag, Namaste and Sat Sri Akal. I warmly welcome you guys to my channel Travel Europe and me. Viewers, I hope you all are very happy in your lives. Today we will travel in Würzburg, and during this traveling we will see the beautiful scene of rain, as well as we will hear the beautiful sound of rain. Würzburg is a city in Germany, Bavaria region. It's known for lavish Baroque and Rococo architecture. Particularly, the 18th century residence place, the ornate room, a huge fresco by Venetian artists. Here, I would like to tell you that Würzburg is also the capital of the German wine region, Franconia, which is famous for its mineral-rich dry white wines, especially for the Silvaner grapes. Würzburg city, northwestern Bavaria land, south-central Germany. Viewers, it lies along and it is an inland part of the canalized Main River, about 60 miles, which is almost 100 kilometers southeast of Frankfurt. The most important thing about Würzburg is that it is very good for international students. Yes, of course. International students are very welcome at the University of Würzburg. They can complete a full-time degree or spend 1 or 2 semesters in Würzburg as part of an organized exchange program. The Würzburg University offers diverse services for international students, helping them to feel right at home. The nearest city of Würzburg is Kist, Germany, which is almost 5.16 miles. If we are talking about the weather at Würzburg, then we can say that the high temperature in Würzburg is almost 24 degrees and the low temperature at Würzburg is almost 13 degrees. Yes, 13 degrees. Now our video is coming to an end. The purpose of this video was to show you how beautiful the rain and how beautiful the roads become after the rain here. After the rain, the clean roads were getting even cleaner. The most beautiful quote about rain is that the rain is nature's way of reminding us that there is a beauty is the unexpected. Viewers, rain makes everything beautiful. After the rain, the trees look like very beautiful. We can say that the rain enhanced the beauty of trees. Trees look like much more greenery or show more greenery after the rain. Plants look greener after the rain since air is 78% nitrogen, and nitrogen above all other elements is what makes plants greener. Viewers, as I already told you, that the most beautiful thing is today's journey is rain. We will see the rain and hear its heart-touching sound. Rainy day has very pleasant weather with cool breeze and rain showers. Rainy day is loved by people of all age group including kids, adults and elderly people. Viewers rainy day uplift our mood quickly and give us relief from scorching heat. Here I would like to tell you about the most important thing about rain, as well as snow. Rain and snow are key elements in the Earth water cycle which is vital to all life on Earth. Viewers, rainfall is the main way that the water in the skies come down to Earth, where it fills our lakes and rivers, recharges the underground aquifers, and provides drinks to plant and animal as well. It has been raining while traveling here, which is very beautiful sight. Here we will show you the rain and its beautiful sound. It is very beautiful journey for me that I am traveling and seeing the beautiful scene of rain. Viewers, traveling in the rain has its own fun. The sound of rain more appealing than the sound of music according to me. Viewers, I hope that you like our today's video. God willing, I will be at your service with the second part of this video very soon. Until then, take care of yourself, be happy and remember us in your prayers.